Hi. In this video, you will learn the most important English sentences for beginners. These are easy sentences for everyday life. You can use them when shopping, at work, or in conversation. I will say every sentence twice so you can speak along. Speak out loud and repeat everything right away. The subtitles help you to understand. This gives you a good feel for the language. By the way, I have written my first book. It is about my experiences in England. The book is perfect for beginners and first conversations. You can find the link in the comments. Are you ready? My name is Mark. My name is Mark. I speak English. I speak English. I learn English every day. I learn English every day. I am a beginner. I am a beginner. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. It is 8 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock. In the morning, I drink coffee. In the morning, I drink coffee. In the evening, I drink tea. In the evening, I drink tea. It is cold today. It is cold today. It will be warm tomorrow. It will be warm tomorrow. It is raining today. It is raining today. The sun will shine tomorrow. The sun will shine tomorrow. The house is big. The house is big. The flat is small. The flat is small. The car is expensive. The car is expensive. The bike is cheap. The bike is cheap. The train is fast. The train is fast. The bus is slow. The bus is slow. The food is good. The food is good. The coffee is bad. The coffee is bad. I get up at 7 o'clock. I get up at 7 o'clock. I go to work. I go to the office. At 12 o'clock, I take a break. At 12 o'clock, I take a break. I eat a sandwich. I eat a sandwich. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. After work, I go shopping. After work, I go shopping. The supermarket is open. The supermarket is open. That costs £5. That costs £5. Where is the toilet? Where is the toilet? Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Then go left. Then go left. Or go right. Or go right. Excuse me, I have a question. Excuse me, I have a question. I do not understand the word. I do not understand the word. Please repeat that. Please repeat that. Now everything is clear. Now everything is clear. Thank you very much for your help. Thank you very much for your help. Now I am at home. Now I am at home. I am a bit tired. I am a bit tired. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I watch TV. I watch TV. I read a book. I read a book. I listen to music. I listen to music. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. The food is still warm. The food is still warm. I am very hungry. I am very hungry. The food tastes good. The food tastes good. It is already late. It is already late. I go to bed. I go to bed. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow I get up early. Tomorrow I get up early. I had a lot of stress today. I had a lot of stress today. Tomorrow I have a day off. Tomorrow I have a day off. At the weekend I relax. At the weekend I relax. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. The clouds are gray. The clouds are gray. The room is bright. The room is bright. The hall is dark. The hall is dark. The music is loud. The music is loud. The room is quiet. The room is quiet. The window is open. The window is open. The door is closed. The door is closed. The bus is full. The bus is full. The train is empty. The train is empty. The park is near. The park is near. The sea is far away. The sea is far away. The house is old. The house is old. The car is new. The car is new. The dog is big. The dog is big. The cat is small. The cat is small. The bicycle is fast. The bicycle is fast. The snail is slow. The snail is slow. I go by bus. I go by bus. I take the underground. I take the underground. I buy a ticket. I buy a ticket. The station is big. The station is big. I am at the airport. I am at the airport. I take a trip. I take a trip. I have a room at the hotel. I have a room at the hotel. I get a key. I get a key. I order a meal. I order a meal. I order a water. I order a glass of water. I pay the bill. I pay the bill. The shop is open. The shop is open. The shop is closed. The shop is closed. I go to the doctor. I go to the doctor. I buy medicine at the pharmacy. I buy medicine at the pharmacy. I call the police. I call the police. Very good job. You have now spoken many important sentences for beginners. These are basic sentences for daily life. Repeat them often and speak out loud. This will give you more confidence when speaking. Practice a few minutes every day. Small steps make a big difference. If you liked the video, give me a like and leave a comment. Write which sentences are most useful for you. Subscribe to the channel and keep practicing with me. See you in the next video.